everyone, I am Aisha Fatima. First of all, I wish all of you happy National Science Day. In India, we celebrate National Science Day every year on 28th February to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by the great Indian scientist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, popularly known as Sir C.V. Raman, on 28th February 1928. It was a very important discovery that earned him Nobel Prize in 1930. The first National Science Day was celebrated on 28, 1987. The main objective of celebrating National Science Day is to bring awareness among people to scientific thinking and applications. Friends, our little Parmitans also did many science activities. So what are we waiting for? Let's have a moment of science.
Now I am showing one small experiment with the small motor connecting to the battery. It is making the fan. This experiment we need a glass, baking soda, liquid food color and vinegar. First we should pour baking soda into the glass. Next we should pour food color into the baking soda. Mix it. And now we should pour vinegar.
Was a Indian aerospace scientist. He was born in Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu.
Happy National Science Day to all. And today I am going to tell you about butterfly life cycle. And this is the life cycle of the butterfly. Now I am going to tell you about life cycle of butterfly. When the female butterfly lays the eggs where it lives, after some days the new caterpillar comes out. After it is the age of eating time. It is the rest time and this is the pupa. After some days, approximately it takes 15 days to come out. And this is the picture of the butterfly was coming out. And the new butterfly came out from this pupa.
Now I am going to tell about different types of teeth. This is the working model of teeth. Our teeth can be classified into 4 types depending upon their shape and function they perform. In our mouth there are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, molars and molars. In our mouth there are 32 teeth. Molars. In our mouth we have 12 molars. Premolars. In our mouth there are 8 premolars. Canines. In our mouth we have 4 canines. Incisors. In our mouth we have 8 incisors.
I am saying about plants around us. This is a plant. Leaves is kitchen of the plant. Roots can absorb the water and give to the plant.
Heart is one of the main organ of our body. It is present on the left side of our body in the chest. It pumps the blood to all parts of our body and it is made up of muscles. It makes lubbed up sounds. Even a small damage to heart can end our life, so it is important for us to keep heart healthy and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Avoid junk food, oily food and overeating.
The science activity's title is Volcano explosion. I am adding baking soda first. Now I am adding vinegar. Now it is comes out like lava.
The topic is plants around us. Now I am showing some indoor plants. This is indoor plant. This plant name is ZZ plant. It purifies the air. These are chia seeds. I sowed in soil. Mommy, after 2 days, I got these baby plants. This is rubber plant. It also purifies the air.
We have to take tap water, and we have to fill the glass, and we have to take cardboard, and we have to press it. It will stay.
Doing my science project work. 5 sensing organs: eyes, nose, mouth, ears, skin. I will say about eyes. Eyes are important part in our body. Without eyes, we cannot see. We cannot see colors. We cannot see shapes. We cannot see anything. We can.
Jar of water, glitter, food color, spoon, and dishwashing detergent. Now first we should pour some food color into the water. Now we will mix it. Now we should pour some dishwashing detergent. Now some glitter. Now we pour some jar. We should shake it. The glitter is sticky.
For the science experiment, we should need one marker and one sheet like thermocol, and we should cut like this shape, and we should do like this marking. And we want plaster, blade, straw, and balloon.
Go.
And we should cut like this, and we should keep like this. Now we should hold here like this. Now
Go.
now we'll move the balloon.
Coconut oil made from coconut, medicine made from plants, clothes made from cotton. I am explaining about games. The games has 2 types. They are indoor games and outdoor games. I am explaining about indoor games. We all like games. The games that we play inside the house are called indoor games. The games that we play in the park and ground are called outdoor games. The games that also keep our mind and body fit and healthy.
Cycle. This summer season, sun is very hot and the water goes to water vapors and it forms a clouds and
I prepared a healthy plate with balanced diet. Carbohydrate, corn, sugar, potato, rice had carbohydrate. Fats, kaju, ghee had fats. Vitamins, banana, pumpkin, papaya had vitamins. Minerals, all green leafy vegetables had minerals. For
Today I am going to explain about animals. There are 4 types of animals. Wild animals, domestic animals, endangered animals, extinct animals.
Today I would like to talk about endangered animals. It means very rare and they will die out completely in the near future. Not all animals are safe on the earth. Some animals are becoming less in number. These animals are called endangered animals. Why we need to think about endangered species? First one, we don't want to see them in the picture of their extinct. Second one, ecosystem will disappear. Third one, food chain will break. Fourth one, the future generation experience their presence and value. Carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, protein, fat.
I think you're enjoying the science activities made by our little scientists. It is a great pleasure to talk on this day, a National Science Day. Inventions made by scientists like telephone, television and telescope have become a part of our daily life. We cannot imagine our daily life without them. So science made our daily life more easy and comfortable. You know that great scientists like Sir C.V. Raman, Sir Abdul Kalam were born in India. At present, India is one of the top 5 countries in the space exploration. So friends, love science because science is a way of thinking. I wish all our little scientists to keep it up their scientific zeal. Once again, I wish you all a happy National Science Day.
Science experiment. This is hot water. This is normal water. I'm keeping in empty bottle with balloons.
In water sources, it has 2 types. One man-made sources of water. One is natural sources of water. And take 1 glass, pour into the glass. Not take turmeric powder and mix. Now water changing in yellow.
I will tell about carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and roughage fats. Carbohydrates come from sugar, potato, rice, roti. Proteins come from meat, cheese, milk, eggs, fish. Vitamins come from fresh fruits and vegetables.
Experiment name is salt solution. We have to take 2 glasses and we have to take 2 lemons and we have to take tap water and we have to take spoon and cup of salt. In one glass we have to pour water. In one glass we have to pour tap water. In another glass we have to pour salt. In one glass we have to put lemon. It is taking in water. In another glass, 2 tablespoons of salt. And we have to mix. And we have to put lemon. It is floating on water.
These are all of 5 senses. Eyes to see. We see with our eyes. Think. Nose to smell. We smell with our nose. Tongue to taste. We taste with our tongue. Skin to feel. We feel with our skin. I am saying about food. Food is a substance with carbohydrates, proteins, and fats and other nutrients. Parts of a plant. A plant has 5 parts. They are roots, stems, leaves, flower, fruit.
I will lift the ice with thread. Now I will pour little bit of water. After pouring water, I will keep the thread. Now I will keep little bit of pinches of salt. Now I have poured the salt on ice. Now I will wait for 1 minute.
There are 5 types of nutrients. There are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Carbohydrates. They give us energy. Fats. They give us energy and keep our skin shiny and smooth. We celebrate it on 28th February every year. So my topic is sense organs. Sense organs are the organs which helps us to smell, see, hear, taste and feel. Parts of a plant. A plant has roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and vegetables.
This I am pouring water in it. Now I am going to put 1 lemon in it. See, it is sinking. And add 2 spoons of salt in another glass. Now I am waiting another lemon in it. It is sinking. It is floating.
We should take 2 glasses and we should pour water in these 2 glasses. Now we should add some 2 teaspoons of salt. And mix it. Now keep 1 lemon in this salt water and another lemon in this tap water. See, observe friend.
I am going to explain the human body on this National Science Day. We celebrate National Science Day on the 28th February. This human body. Can I show what is there inside the human body? See, this is muscular system. Inside the muscular system, this is digestive system. So this is head. Inside the head, brain will be. And this is heart. See, heart will be like this. And this is kidneys. Kidneys will filter the blood.
Hope you like and inspired by